Hello everyone. Today we are in beautiful Liepāja, where people celebrate City Day and the Sea Festival. This is not only big summer festival, it is also Fisherman's Day. For centuries, the sea gave local people food and work, but it also took many lives. That is why the celebrations begins by remembering the sailors and fishermen who never come home. There are also old tradition. Fishermen believed they should always respect the sea. They never stepped on fishing nets because it was thought would it bring bad luck. In Latvian folklore, people also believed in the Mother of the Sea, a spirit who protected fishermen. Today, the festival brings these traditions to life. With a boat parade, this year we haven't got it because it was very stormy. First day the weather was very upset and celebration lasts 2 days, but the second day I'm showing to you. So it's local food, music, markets and thousands of visitors. For the people of Liepāja, this is more than festival. It is a celebration of the city's long connection with the Baltic Sea. Like I already said, the celebration lasts for 2 days. There are events all over the city, including sport competitions, children's activities, concerts, and many other attractions. You can find events in the city center and on the beach, but the biggest celebration takes place in the Seaside Park. This is where we are today, and this is the beautiful park we are going to explore together.
The sea is so soft today. The summer wind knows every way. The city smiles, the flags fly high. White seagulls circle through the sky. We laugh, we dance, we sing as one. From morning light to setting sun. But every wave remembers too the brave old sailors it once knew. Oh, Baltic Sea, so wild, so free. You are the heart of Liepāja. You bring us home. You bring us home. Your endless waves are where we belong. Oh, fishing boats and children's dreams. Music carried by the breeze. Ancient stories, hands held tight. Keeping old traditions bright. With grateful hearts we stand today for those who sailed so far away. Their spirit lives in every tide, forever with the sea beside.
The sunset in these days is quite late, and 10 p.m. playgrounds still full of children.
Our city lives beside your shore, and we will love you evermore.
It's 11 p.m., become darker, and we are walking past old spa area which now closed for reconstruction.
You are the heart.
And now behind the trees and flowers you can see new recently open, I think it was 3 years ago, a summer open air music hall. And here a very important place, a walk where you could find handprints of all famous Latvian musicians. And that colorful tree, it's not just tree, it's monument for one very famous Liepājas band, Live. In front of you is a restaurant what was rebuilt a few years ago using the original plans. Today it is cozy place where you could relax in the evening, enjoy a meal and listen to live music. Liepāja Seaside Park was created in 1970. It was designed to stop sand from blowing into the city and to protect the coastline. Thousands of trees and shrubs were planted on the dunes. Over time, the park became a beautiful place for walking, relaxing, and enjoying nature. Today, it is one of the largest and most beautiful seaside parks in the Baltic region. Here you could find a lot of sport facilities. Now we are passing tennis courts, but there are 2 stadiums and a lot of places for training in the open air.
Lights are shining, music's loud. Summer brings a happy crowd. Laughter fills the evening air. Liepāja is everywhere. Feel the rhythm, hear the sea. This is where we're meant to be. Hey, tonight we shine together. See our city now and forever. Wave your hands, let your heart be free. Dancing by the Baltic Sea. Dancing by the Baltic Sea. Every light makes the city come alive tonight. Hear the waves, hear them say, Liepāja.
The Baltic amber is the most famous and valuable amber in the world. It is about 44 million years old. For thousands of years, people have made jewelry and decorations from Baltic amber. Today, amber is one of the symbols of Liepāja and the Baltic coast. course, a lot of local drinks and food.
Воспоминания те же.
Draugi, trešais pantiņš tautē! Visi kopā skaļi!
I really love the skin designs. They look just like real tattoos, but they are very easy to apply, completely painless and inexpensive. They stay for up to a week without washing off, so you can enjoy the look without any commitment. A perfect choice for summer.
Kad mazgāsies, nevar ilgi, jo āda ir sausāka. Jā, pagaid mirklītiem.
Sexy. How long it will stay?
Thank you for watching. We walked a lot. We saw many beautiful places. I hope you enjoy the park and the celebration and that they will stay in your memory. Don't forget to leave a like, write your comment and subscribe to the channel where many more interesting walks and beautiful places are waiting for you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.